Most people use NotebookLM completely wrong. They treat it like ChatGPT with a file upload button, ask random questions, and wonder why they're not getting better results. I'm about to show you what NotebookLM actually is and why understanding this changes everything. Here's the truth nobody tells you. NotebookLM isn't ChatGPT with sources. That's like saying a Ferrari is a car with wheels. Technically true, completely missing the point. Let me explain what's really happening when you use NotebookLM. NotebookLM creates a temporary AI that only knows what you teach it. Think about that. Every notebook is a blank slate AI that learns exclusively from your sources. No internet knowledge, no training data contamination, just your information. Watch this. I asked ChatGPT, what's our company policy on remote work? It gives me generic corporate BS. Sounds confident, completely made up. Now, I asked NotebookLM the same question after loading our actual employee handbook. Look at this. Exact policy. Page numbers, direct quotes. This isn't just accuracy. This is a fundamentally different tool. You need to understand three core principles. Your sources are the AI. Bad sources equal bad AI. Most people fail here before they even start. If you load 5 random blog posts that contradict each other, the AI will give you confused, contradictory answers. Not because the AI is bad, because your knowledge base is bad. NotebookLM has 500,000 words of context per notebook. That's roughly 10 full books. This is massive. But here's the catch. You need to structure it right, or you're just creating an overwhelming mess that the AI can't navigate effectively. If you load academic papers, the AI talks academically. If you load casual blog posts, it talks casually. Your sources style literally shapes the AI's personality. This isn't a bug, it's a feature you can use deliberately. Log these three principles in your mind. Your sources determine everything. Context capacity is huge but needs structure. The AI mirrors your source style. Everything else in the series builds on this foundation. Here is a real example. I created 2 notebooks on AI marketing. Notebook A, I threw in 20 random articles I found on Google. Notebook B, I carefully selected 7 high-quality sources, authoritative reports, case studies, critical analysis, and my own context document. Same questions to both. How should I implement AI in marketing? Notebook A gives generic, contradictory, useless answers. Notebook B, specific, actionable, backed by evidence. Same tool, different sources, completely different value. Remember, NotebookLM isn't just another AI chatbot. It's a custom AI you built with your sources. 3 pillars: garbage in, gospel out. Context is king. AI thinks like your sources. In the next video, I'm showing you exactly how to choose sources that don't suck. The quality pyramid that separates useless notebooks from powerful ones. Click that video now. This is where most people mess up, and I am about to save you weeks of frustration.